Hey guys, welcome to another vlog with another city, new city in Pakistan. After Lahore, I am now in Gujranwala and just starting the day, the tour of the city, and we'll be here for only one day and we'll explore some of the spots in the city and we'll show you through this video. And here's my host, Mr. Raheel Nawaz, who is my friend for last 5 to 6 years on the internet, but first time I met him and he is really absolutely a nice guy. So he will be our host here and will be showing us all the places in this city, Gujranwala in Pakistan. So you guys are going to see some of the attractions, but to be very honest, today there is fog, so we will not have the best view, but we will try our best to show you some of the places. So, welcome.
Thank you,
Raheel bhai.
Welcome, Abdul bhai. Inshallah, hope you will enjoy.
Okay, thank you. So, see you in the city attractions. This is our car and Raheel bhai is there. And we will be using this car to explore the city and my friend Mr. Badshah Khan. Yeah. Badshah Khan, please go there. Yeah. And our friend Shakil bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. And Raheel bhai will be driving the car.
हाँ ड्राइव करता दिखाएं लोगों को यार कैसे ड्राइव करते हैं.
And we will be enjoying, I think.
Okay. मेरा सबके लिए मैसेज है एक. आप प्लीज मेरी तरफ से फोकस करें.
English. Yeah.
Oh, very bad. रहने दो. ये पुल के नीचे जितनी भी शॉप्स हैं ये इस टाइम बंद है, लेकिन ये है कि ये सारी जो शॉप्स हैं
अभी तो मैं अपनी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ.
बनाए.
Oh my goodness. Hey, what's up? Just arrived in a local restaurant here in Gujranwala to have lunch and breakfast together, like for example brunch we can say, and simply going to have the lunch, and after that going to visit some other places here.
अब्दुल भाई प्लीज ये जरा मेन्यू देखें. आशा भाई मटन, बोटी है, मछली है, फिश भी नहीं, फिश ही खाते नहीं, कह रहे फिश नहीं खाएंगे. चिकन में आपको वाला खाना है तो यार बात सुनो, कितने पीस हो मुझे?
एक प्लेट में 9 पीस होते हैं.
हाफ में. ओके, तो एक काम करो,
पक करना.
ठीक है बॉस, बेस्ट ऑफ लक. आप जाए, मैं यहीं बाहर.
ये तो बंद है.
अच्छा, बंद है. आराम से. माल ही बंद है यार आपका। Hey guys, so finally the Gujranwala tour came to an end. I hope you enjoyed. I am just outside the hotel. It's the evening time and our host Mr. Shakil Bhai is here. I will thank him for guiding and for just showing me all the city and all the attractions. So the Gujranwala vlog and tour comes to an end and I hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next destination, Sialkot.